Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasanadar College of Arts and Science. Today our topic, Entrepreneurial Development. Any business unit which is owned and controlled by a single individual is known as entrepreneur. Entrepreneur invests his own savings, otherwise borrowed money from the friends and relatives. He need not to share his profit or losses to anybody else because he is his own boss. Then go for the characteristics of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur characteristics classified in the following categories. Entrepreneur is a hard worker, sincerity, self-reliance, highly optimistic, planning and organizing ability, innovation, risk-taking, maintain public relation, communication skills, secrecy maintenance. In these characters, I am going to explain you some of the main characters. Characteristics of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur always hard worker because he invests his own savings. Any losses suffer by him, so he need not to share his loss to anybody else. He spend his full hard work towards his business. So hard worker, entrepreneur should put efforts and constant endeavors to accomplish the goals of the venture successfully. They should spend their energy in addressing to the issues to stay successful. And second point, self-confidence. Entrepreneur should be a self-confident person because entrepreneur should have self-confidence in order to achieve high goals in the business. Negativities like inconvenience, discomfort, rejection and so on should not weaken his steely resolve to make the venture a grand success. Innovation. Innovation means creativity. Entrepreneur should contribute something new or something unique to meet the changing requirement of customers, like new product, new methods of production, etc. And next point, leadership. Entrepreneur is the owner of the company, so he acts as a leader. Entrepreneur should be able to influence team members by showing sympathy and empathy so as to enable them to contribute positively towards the goals of the venture. Next one, decision making. Before taking any important decision, entrepreneur need not to share with anybody else except his family members. Entrepreneur has to take timely and correct decision with regard to nature and the type of product to be produced, type of technology to be adopted, type of human assets to be employed, location of the enterprises, size of the unit and so on. Next one, difference between entrepreneur and manager. First one, motive. The main motive of an entrepreneur is to start a venture for his personal gratification. Manager. Main motive of a manager is to render service in an enterprise already set by someone else. Entrepreneur, founder of the company, and manager is the employee of the company. Second one, status. Entrepreneur is a owner, manager is a servant. Third one, risk. Entrepreneur assumes all the risk and uncertainty, all the profit and all the loss he need not to share. Manager does not bear any risk involved in the enterprise because he is employee of the company. Next one, rewards. Profits which are highly uncertain and not fixed because changing circumstances, changing environment depends upon the profit. But in case of manager, salary which is certain and fixed by the entrepreneur. Next one, innovation. Entrepreneur himself thinks over what and how to produce goods to meet the changing needs of the customers. Hence, he acts as an innovator or changing agent. He introduces his own ideas or otherwise adopted somebody's ideas. But manager simply execute plans prepared by the entrepreneur. And last point, qualification. An entrepreneur needs to possess qualities and qualification like high achievement, motive, originality in thinking, foresight, risk bearing ability, etc. But manager needs to possess distinct qualification in terms of sound knowledge in management theory and practice. Next one, qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Becoming successful entrepreneur, they should have the following qualities like initiative, willingness to assume risk, ability to learn from the experience, motivation, self-confidence, decision-making ability, etc. Entrepreneur is the spirit of a person. It is a quality which may be inherent or developed. For the economic development of a country, entrepreneurial skills need to be developed. These skills lead to the development of business and ultimately the result is seen in the economic growth of the country. So, becoming an entrepreneur is a dream. Dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is the thing that doesn't let you sleep. In the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I conclude this topic. Thank you.